Hi guys, it's Lindsay. Welcome back to my channel. I am so happy you're here. Today we are making my Rice Krispie treat Christmas trees. Okay, so tell me it's not like everybody else's dream too to have a pink Christmas tree with all like gold ornaments. Okay, just me, I don't know. So I saw this idea online, well not the pink version, just like the regular green Rice Krispie treat Christmas tree. So I thought, duh, like why would I not make them pink and add gold ornaments? And I'm so excited with the way they turned out. I think they're so cute. And of course they're so delicious because who doesn't like Rice Krispies treats? And they're so easy to make. So if you're super busy around the holiday season, this is the perfect treat because they're no bake. You just whip them up in like no time at all. And just you wait, because next week's video I am transforming these into a winter wonderland holiday themed cake. And if you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, be sure to tap that subscribe button and the notification bell to be the first to see my all new videos, and I'll love you forever and ever. So we start with the Rice Krispies treat trees. Super simple recipe, but as always, I'll leave the full written instructions for you guys down below in the description. But I want to know, if you could have your dream Christmas tree, what would it look like? What color would it be? Tell me everything down below in the comments. So first just melt your butter in a saucepan and then go ahead and add your marshmallows and stir those in on low heat until they're fully melted and ooey and gooey and delicious. Then go ahead and turn off the heat and add in a few drops of food coloring. I did pink, you could do any color you want, just until it's nice and combined. Then you're gonna go ahead and gently fold in your Rice Krispies cereal until it's fully combined, and then just let this cool slightly for about 5 minutes before you start working with it. And of course, you do not have to make pink trees. I just made pink trees because obviously, what other color would I make? But you can definitely do classic green. You can even do any color tree you want, really. Get creative. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. Then I just like to spray my hands with a little non-stick spray so the Rice Krispies don't stick all over. My little trick. Grab about 1/3 to 1/2 cup of the cereal treat and just create little cone shapes for your trees. Now we're just gonna let our little trees cool off and firm up a little bit, so set them aside for about 30 minutes so they can really hold their shape. Okay, now here's the fun part. You can even set out a bunch of plain trees for kids for a holiday party and let them all decorate their own. Go nuts. Do whatever kind of colored sprinkles you want for ornaments. You can pipe on tinsel with frosting. It doesn't have to be homemade. You can just go get the canned stuff from the grocery store to make it easy on yourself. You could also just keep it really simple and just dust the tops of the trees with some powdered sugar for a really elegant, simple look. I used everything from edible pearls to little gold stars on top to really complete the look. Then just take a mini Reese's cup and put it upside down with a little frosting and attach your trees right on top. I mean, can we just bring these to life and have this one right here, like right in the middle of my living room next to my fireplace? That would make me like so happy. And as cute as they are, we obviously have to do a taste test, right? And if you guys give these a try, be sure to follow me on social media. Tag me in a picture so I can go like and comment on all of your recreations and see all the different colors and styles of Christmas trees you guys came up with. Or share this video with somebody you know who would totally love to make these. All right, let's give it a try. Classic Rice Krispies treat. Who doesn't love these? And it's so easy to make too. So if you guys love this video, be sure to tap the thumbs up button so I know to make more just like it. And then go check out my next video where I use these to create the ultimate winter wonderland no-bake cake. It's so cute. You're gonna love it. So there you have my Rice Krispies treats Christmas trees. Thanks so much for watching and leaving me comments. You guys are the best. I love you so much. Shine on, babes, and I'll see you right here next time. Bye, guys. My husband would absolutely not be super stoked if we had a pink Christmas tree this year, so I made edible ones. Check out the full tutorial on my YouTube channel for these no-bake Rice Krispies treats Christmas trees. They're pink.